Okay, so how to delete my things and to replace them with yours. You're just going to open up the page. So you can come right here to modules. The first one you'll probably want to do is the identity chart. So the lesson is fine if you just click right there. Then you just click edit. You'll want to keep all of this stuff at the top because it explains to the students what they're doing. But just to delete my picture, just put your cursor on the page, click backspace or delete on your computer, and it will delete my copy. You're then going to click this, I call it the upside down caret. It's for more external tools. You'll click right there, scroll down to Google Drive. It's going to then ask you if this is the correct account. Make sure it's your school account. Click select file. You're then going to find it in your drive. So yours, I think, is saved in this folder 2020-2021 Canvas. If it's not, just find it wherever you saved it at. So I'd click right there. I have it, mine saved in section A, the All About Me section. Yeah, so there is yours right there. So I'd click mine, you'd obviously click yours. Then you just click add, click attach, and then it will pop up. So you will need to do this for my identity chart and also your vision board. And then you just click save. And then I just verify to make sure it's correct.